ANKR seems to have fallen off a cliff, but I think this represents the main buying opportunity because most money that is made is in times of fear, uncertainty in the market. And as Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. And I think it's about time to be greedy with ANKR. Welcome back to another video. My name's Adam, and before we dive into another ANKR coin update, please feel free to hit the like button as well as subscribe if you enjoy the video and you're new to my channel. Today we're going to be going over ANKR, what ANKR is briefly since I talk about it pretty frequently on my channel, why I'm so bullish on this coin, again my price prediction, and some updated technicals of ANKR, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So let's get right into it. So ANKR originates as a solution that utilizes shared resources in order to provide easy and affordable blockchain node hosting solutions. It was founded in 2017, and recently in my past video, I said that it could potentially go below 8 cents, and that it did. And I said that I was standing on the sidelines just waiting to invest in ANKR. And again, I'm still waiting on the sidelines, although I think it is at a much more attractive valuation at under 8 cents, and I think it could even potentially go under 7 cents, depending, of course, how long the bear ride on Bitcoin and Ethereum last, okay? And Bitcoin and Ethereum, they tend to move the whole crypto markets in general. If Bitcoin moves down by 10%, Ethereum tends to move down by, 10 or 15%, and small cap coins like ANKR, they tend to move by like 20 or 30% on a 10% move in Bitcoin. So the thing that makes ANKR unique is that the ANKR network is created to provide a new blockchain solution that leverages idle computing power from devices and data centers as a whole. So think of a decentralized version of cloud computing, something similar to AWS or Microsoft's Azure, but instead it's decentralized. It is a platform that enables the sharing economy where any customer can access resources at a more affordable rate, while also providing enterprises with ability to monetize on their spare computing power that is not being utilized. It is unique in the way that it is the first one to use trusted hardware, and as such, this ensures a high level of security. And this is the main reason why I'm bullish in the future of ANKR. So if you use their products and services, of course, you'll be paying using ANKR coin. So this is why I like ANKR so much, is because it's an altcoin with a purpose, okay? And if you go on their site, you can, of course, host nodes, and they support more than 40 blockchain protocols for staking or developing purposes. They're always active on Twitter. Right now, they are just over 112,000 followers on Twitter. I mean, just a couple of weeks ago, they reached 100,000 followers, so they're nicely growing there. And they share many useful resources here, for example, by becoming an Ethereum 2 node provider. And they talk about Ethereum 2 a lot because that is what they're designing their whole protocol based on Web3 infrastructure and the Ethereum 2.0 network, which is a lot more faster, environmentally friendly, and more efficient than Ethereum 1, which is what we're on right now. But again, very soon we'll be on the Ethereum 2 network, which should attract a lot more investments into Ethereum in general. And that's why in general, I'm more bullish on Ethereum than I am in Bitcoin. And I do have a position in Ethereum right now, okay? But I'm holding off of ANKR right now. So let's go on the technical charts, and we're going to look at ANKR's charts first, and then Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. So of course we can see here when they reached the peak of 21 cents, and it's just been a downhill ride since then, okay? We can see that the volume also backed off from like 3.3 billion in trading volume near its peak, all the way now to, we're seeing like, if I just minimize this, we're seeing like 180 million versus 3.3 billion. So huge drop off in trading volume there. And of course, we can see the Bollinger Bands here, and it's just riding the lower Bollinger Band for some time, okay? And if you're looking at the Bollinger Bands, these are 2 standard deviations above and below the 21-day moving average. And of course, I mean, right now, I would not invest in ANKR just because you see this clear downward trend along the lower Bollinger Band. It could at any moment, of course, reverse way and just start moving upwards, but I don't see this happening until I see some support in Ethereum and Bitcoin prices, okay? And there's a lot of pessimism right now in the cryptocurrency community right now in terms of regulations from China, potential regulations from the US government even. And I mean, but just check out the relative strength index. It's incredibly low right now. So again, you might even want to start accumulating position right now. Just because I'm incredibly just uber cautious, I will be holding off for a bit. And if it starts trading below 7 cents, then I'll be very, very interested, because I see the long-term potential of Anchor potentially being at around, 20 cents conservative estimate by the end of the year, all the way to $1 by the end of 2022, 2023. However, just know I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence and don't just buy something because I say buy something. Buy something because you have conviction in the coin. Okay, these are just my thoughts and this is just for fun. All right. So yeah, that's my little disclaimer there. But again, just be careful when you see this downward channel right here. I mean, I don't want you to get burned. For example, you could have bought at 16 and now it's sitting at below 8 cents and you're not very happy right now because you're losing a lot of money. Okay, so just be careful out there. And so going on now to the Ethereum technical charts right here. So I'm just going to do a little doodling as well. So of course we see these massive decline from above 4,000 all the way down to, of course, right now it's sitting at 22,000, and right now it's just sitting at the lower Bollinger Band. We can see the standard deviation lines were incredibly wide, which means that there's a lot of volatility in the market. And generally we're seeing these bands narrowing, which just means that volatility is decreasing and the price is stabilizing. So we can see sort of a bit of a resistance level at the $2,250 mark, and it hit that over here, and now it's hitting that over here, sort of breaking below that. But let's see if it can come back. And I want to see it cleanly break above the 21-day moving average in this orange line. And it'd be really good if it tested probably the next resistance level at the 50-day moving average, which is at around the $2,800 level right here. Okay. So again, if Ethereum drops more, I'll buy in more Ethereum just because I really believe in Ethereum long term. And if you're looking at the relative strength index, it's at 40 right now. So again, it's not necessarily oversold, but sort of getting there, right? And I do think that there could be more weakness in crypto markets before there's strength, all right? And I really look to technical charts when making my crypto investments, because right now there's not like a whole solid lot of fundamentals behind crypto, okay? It's mainly just what the next dude or the next gal is willing to pay for Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay? And right here, so this is the Bitcoin price. Of course, we've seen a massive run up from like 20,000 all the way to like 60,000, and now it's back down to 36,000. Of course, I'm not investing in Bitcoin. I just believe in Ethereum more, so I'm just going to put all my money that I have towards crypto investments there. But again, I respect you, of course, if you like Bitcoin as your main crypto investment. And of course, right now it's sort of going back up and down on this channel here, all the way from, I see like 33,000 as a pretty big support level, and around 40,000 as the resistance level, okay? And right now it's at 36,000, so it could potentially drop to the lower Bollinger Band in the green here before swinging back up, okay? But again, anything could happen, especially in the crypto market. And right now it's sitting below the 21-day moving average and well below the 50-day moving average at 42,000, okay? So I think the next bull run in crypto will be massive, all right? And I think it might take a longer time to reach the levels we've seen previously at 60,000, but I think it will get there, and I think it will surpass that level. But of course, that's just my speculation, and I'm just bullish in the future of crypto in the long run. So for example, El Salvador became the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. That means businesses are obligated to accept Bitcoin as payment, all right? So now might not be a bad time to start accumulating Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even potentially Anchor. If I had to rank them from the ones that I like the most, the ones that I like the least, or less like, I'd say Ethereum number 1, Anchor number 2, and Bitcoin number 3. So those are just my thoughts. Again, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, as well as feel free to check out my free Discord, which I'll post down in the link below. So peace, much love, and I'll see you in the next one.